You'll lead a maintenance team providing IT and networking support for some of Australia's major public and private transport companies. The salary will be up to 120 grand. It offers access to long-term service contracts in place that are providing job security, and you'll be joining a global market leader. The role will start on the 1st of July. The National Service Manager is required to lead a maintenance team providing IT and networking support for some of Australia's major public and private transport companies. There's a great salary on offer, there's job security and career growth available, and business-related travel will be required. You'll be joining a global market leader specialising in providing advanced surveillance systems, solutions and services such as mobile video surveillance and passenger information equipment. They work with and have long-term contracts in place with Australian and global clients in the transit industry, including bus, trams, rail and taxi industries, allowing for long-term stable employment opportunities for you. Your role will involve leading their team of field technicians to ensure the highest level of support for their clients, as well as being hands-on in providing support to clients yourself. As this is a national role, you'll be leading a team working on projects across Australia. Regular travel will be required to visit client facilities for both service arrangements and to provide support for installs and breakdown maintenance. Other responsibilities will include management and troubleshooting of software and hardware solutions, server networks and wireless related issues, and back-end support software updates. To apply, send your resume to jobshop, JOBSHOP, at macrorecruitment.com.au.